Hi guys, so I just want to check in with you real quick because this weekend I went out of town to take my dad back home. He'd been visiting for a few weeks, and so it's kind of slow on the channel here, but I also wanted to today to say that today we're having windows installed to finish up our window project here at the house, and that's going to take our day, right? So I'm not going to be able to make videos today, but while these guys are on their way to install the windows, I did want to let you know on HSN they have released the new diamond press paper pads. So these were sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So I just want to quickly show them to you. I will do a review tutorial of each one. So for right now, I'm just opening them up so you can take a quick peek. I think they also released 2 new card kits and another screen stencil. So I know the stencils with the dies, like the screen kits, sold out last time when they were brought, just recently when they were there for the March 7th shows. So this one is some more screens, and they're like travel and really cute, and they come with more inks, so different inks. So I'll link those things in the description box. And today I'm just showing you these right quick, just so you know that they are now available, and then just to keep an eye out for the tutorials coming up. So this is the Happy Day pack, and if you guys recall on the other one, it's so cute, the butterfly pad. I love how it has all these cut aparts. I mean, this one's super cute with the little candies and the little, see, in the other one I had patterns from some of the cards that Diamond Press has put out before. So this one has the little balloon animal patterns that I've seen on some other card bases that they've had. Look at that, super cute. 60 sheets, printed cardstock, and double-sided. So all these images you're seeing, it's because they're on the front or back of these papers. Again, the cut aparts and tons of paper, so I just want to show those to you. And then this one's just an everyday plaids, dots, and stripes. Again, 60 sheets, double-sided. And these are the colors they have. They're very springy, summery. I mean, I love black and white and pairing with like yellow and pops of color like that. So we have the yellow here. Really, I mean, Halloween, I mean, there's just lots of colorways here, a little Christmas, you know, lots of everyday kind of patterns here. So just want to touch bases with you guys. I got to run because I know those guys are on their way to install the windows. But thanks for watching and keep an eye out. And thanks for, hanging in there. And I know I had, I think, 1 video for you guys this weekend, but hopefully I'll have a lot more after today. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.